Prince Jimmy. As a security engineer, I'm actually working on an application that will help check the integrity of any data. Of course, you know in cybersecurity we have three aspects that we need to always check out for to consider a data secured. The first one being the confidentiality of that data, the integrity, and also the availability of the data. So in this project, I will be focusing more on the integrity of checking the integrity of a file or any data. Actually have it. So let's go. Let me take you to my project. Okay, so I actually have a project named Ashin.py. I use Python to write it. Let me get there. We are using PI, Ashin.py. So this is my code. I will insert to be able to edit. So this is how it is. I'm actually using Python. I'm using Python for this project. So in Python, I'm using a Q, that's GUI framework, Tkinter. So I'm using Tkinter to build this application so that I can be able to have a user interface. Alright, so this is the project. So first of all, what this application will do is, once I launch the application, I want the application to give me a feature where I can upload a particular file, be it a PDF, be it a TXT file, or whatever file. I will upload it into my application from my system. Once I upload the file, I will now calculate. I will now generate the hash value of that particular file, and I will store it. If supposing the file has not been changed or nothing has touched it, no alteration, so if I upload the file again, the application should be able to tell me that, oh, this file is okay, nothing has happened to it, nobody has tampered with it, so it is very okay. Or if the file has been changed, then the application should tell me that, oh, the file has been changed. Okay, so let's see how the application works. And also, whatever file I upload to this application, it will also save the hash value. So this is the application. This is my code. I've already written this in Python. Okay, I've written this in Python. This is a very long code. Okay, so those of you that know how to write Python code will understand this exactly. This is a Tkinter framework. This Tkinter helps you to build an application that have user interface with button and the rest. So this is my application, and what I will do here, I will save the editor. And how do I save it? I will escape, then semicolon, WQ to save, an exclamation mark. So I'm out. So what I will do now, I will run the command. Before I run the program, normally it's always good for you to make the program executable. That is, if it is not executable. And how do you do that? chmod, then plus X, which is to make it executable, then the application name, Ashin.py. So I have already made it to be executable. So now that it's executable, it means that I can run it. So I can now run it using Python 3. So this is Python 3 hash, so I can enter. So Boom, guys, you can see that the application is here. This is the application. Let me zoom it. Good. So what is this application helping me to do? It's helping me to check the integrity of my data. So let me select a file. Let me assume this letter. I have a file called letter.txt. So let me select the file and enter. So you can see that the file has been altered. You can see the warning here. File integrity has been compromised. Okay, now let me create a new file here. So in that so doing, I will create another terminal so that I won't take off the application. Right? So the terminal, I will now say touch a new file, touch my file. Okay, touch my file. Sorry for this typo error. My file. Okay, my file .txt. Supposing I'm using txt. Okay, so I have that file created and I want to write something in that file. I can say cat append into my file .txt. Okay, so I can write something. This is a new file. So after I've saved it, I will save and exit by pressing Ctrl D. Alright, so I've saved that file now. Now I will go to my application and select a file. Alright, this is my application now. So I want to select that new file. You have it here, my file. I'll select it and I will check the arch value. You can see that the arch value has been generated, and not only generated, it has also been stored. This is the arch value stored here. Okay, so now if I upload the file, the same file again, because I've not changed anything in the file. If I upload the same file again, it will tell me that nothing has happened. You can see file is intact, nothing has happened. But if I change something on that file, let me change something on it. I want to write something again to it. I'll say, hey, new stuff. Okay, then I save and exit. I save and exit by Ctrl D. Alright, so now I'm going back to my application to check if my application will tell me that okay, that file has been tampered with. So I will upload the file again. Boom, guys, this works. So my application is set now. I've been able to use Python, combination of Python, then I'm running on my Kali Linux machine. I've been able to design and build an app to check the integrity of your data. So this is a cybersecurity project that I've been working on, and I'm still developing it. And you know, as a cybersecurity engineer, your major or your main job is to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and the availability of data. So join me as I build more projects. Thank you. My name remains Prince Jimmy.